We start with a pre-work walkthrough of the building to pick safe, discrete pathways for fiber and to confirm where we'll enter each apartment unit. Following the walkthrough, our technicians stage the cable route by installing zip tie anchors in the ceiling, aligning each point underneath the apartments that will receive fiber. From the service area, we move into the building's telecom room to prepare the fiber for the main run through the building. We route the fiber across the ceiling toward each unit, securing it neatly with the zip ties installed during the walkthrough. The technicians then group and secure the fiber lines into bundles as they approach each apartment entry point, ready to be routed into each unit for final installation. Once the bundles are staged, a small pass-through is drilled into the telecom room. The main fiber bundle is then fed through this opening and connected to the distribution equipment that serves the building. Before any drilling inside apartment units, we provide at least 24 hours notice, so residents have time to move items and secure pets. The goal is a smooth, respectful installation experience. Inside the apartment, we cut a low-profile wall box slot where the fiber will run through, usually near power and the router location. We then drill inside the wall through the floor, allowing our techs to run the fiber cord up from the level beneath. We pull the fiber into the unit, manage any slack, and prepare the termination so it's protected and serviceable. Our technicians activate the service and run performance tests, checking light levels, signal loss, and speed to ensure everything meets spec. Once testing is complete, we finish the wall, add the cover plate, tidy cables, and clean the work area. When the process is complete, the unit is ready for faster uploads and downloads, lower latency, and a more reliable online experience.